Alright, Abdullah, let's take a look at this. Here's what I created for you. Based upon your latest requirements around the percent complete and the percent complete variance, I've created this solution for you. So this solution involves, as I mentioned in my text, a few or a couple of different custom fields. So we're looking at a project file that I've created for you, and I'm going to send this to you so you've got it. And in this project file that I'm sending you, there's three custom fields here that I created for you. There's expected percent complete variance, and I went ahead and created a percent complete variance indicator. So let me tell you about these different columns. We got to first start with your percent complete column. And this is the column that you manually update as you are working with your team, and you identify some tasks, and you say, hey guys, let what percent complete is this task? And you can see here, this is the percent complete column. You manually input this based upon the real world status or update you get from your team members, the percent complete column. The next column here it contains a custom, this is a custom field, and it contains a formula that I created that is the expected percent complete. And this is a formula that's based upon today's date, the start date of the task, the finish date of the task, and today's date. And based upon those three variables in that formula, we're able to calculate the expected percent complete. Hey, based upon those three variables, here's where we expect the percent complete to be. Okay, and then the next column is the percent complete variance, and this column is just a simple math formula that says, hey, the percent complete is 100% and the expected percent complete is 100, so that means the variance is 0. But if we look at say this task right here, the percent complete that's been manually inputted is 80%, but based upon the calculations of the start date, finish date, and today's date, this is expected to be 88% complete, and the variance is 8.14. So you can see how that's calculated. Okay, so that's the percent complete variance column. The third column that I created for you is a percent complete variance indicator. So this gives you that graphical image based upon the information that's being calculated here. And so how this works is, if the task is complete, which this one is, you get a blue circle. If the variance between the percent complete, if the variance here in this percent complete variance column is less than 10%, then you get a green circle. If the variance complete is greater than 20 but less than or equal to 30, you get a orange square. Let's look at this one right here. If the variance is greater than 30%, you get a red circle. And if we look at this summary task right here, the percent complete is 0, but based upon the start date, the finish date, and today's date, Microsoft Project, or that formula really says this thing should be 36% complete, or 36.8% complete, and you're way off on this project right here. Okay, that's these three custom formulas that I've created for you and how these things work. Okay, and I'm sending you this file right now along with this video called You can see the name of it here, and it's called Percent Complete View. Okay, and so these 3 custom fields I've created for you, and I've included in what I call, or what we're calling, the Percent Complete Variance View. You can see the view name over here on the left. So I'll send you this file, but I sincerely believe, almost want to say no, that this version of your Microsoft project file is not the most current version. So the question now is, how do you get this view and these fields into your most current version? So I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, so first off, open up this file that I'm sending you. Secondly, open up your most current version of your file, which I've got sitting here. Okay, this is your most current version of the file, and this is the one that I just talked about. Okay, have these 2 files open on your computer, and then what you want to do is you want to click on File and Info. File, Info, and then click on Organizer. And now on the left side down here, select the one that I'm sending you that has these fields and this view in it. And you select that here. On the right side, you select your most current version of your Microsoft project file. With those 2 being selected, now click on Fields. And the fields that you want to include are fields number that say expected percent complete, text 11, then text 12, and I'm holding down on my control key so I can select multiple items, 11, 12, and 13. See those text columns there, text 11, text 12, and text 13. I'm selecting from the file I'm sending you, and I'm wanting to copy those fields over into your most current version of your project. So I've selected them. I simply say copy, and those fields get moved over here. So there's text 12, text 13, and we got text 11. Okay, those are the fields. And now let's get your view. So if we click on View, and right at the top, that star percent complete variance view in the file that I'm sending you, click on, and we're going to click on copy and copy it into your most current version. We click on copy, and it's over here now, and we click on close, and we go back. And we're in this one that I created for you, but we also have this file here, which would be your most current version of your project. And if you right click over here and you go to the one that says percent completes variance, you should now have this view. And if you click on that, you'll see that this view is here. And I can see that I missed including a field here. We got that expected percent complete variance, and if we insert that column, which is percent complete variance indicator, now there's your indicator that's in this view in your most current file. So my friend, I sincerely hope this helps you, and you can navigate these steps. And that's it, man. If you need help in navigating these steps and getting this into your most current file, be sure to put a slot on my calendar, and I'll help you make this happen. So again, now you've got your percent complete that you manually input. You got your expected percent complete that Microsoft Project is calculating. You got the variance. You got the variance between those 2. And then you got a cool little graphical indicator here, and actually you can go to Gantt chart format and you can center that thing so that they're in the center there. And That's it, man. Hope this helps, buddy. That's it. Talk to you later. Bye.